introducing to you the brand new Greenstar Pro Juicer by Tribest. This is a commercial certified juicer, so perfect for use in a cafe or juice bar, but you can also use it for home use. So the main difference between the Greenstar Pro and the previous Greenstar Elite juicer is the commercial certified plug. We have this tamper holder at the rear here, which is really handy so you don't lose your tamper. And also have, the most important is the all stainless steel gears. Okay, so these weigh a ton. You should feel how heavy these are. And this is what is going to do all your juicing. This is what's going to break up all the hard vegetables, beetroot, celery, greens. And the Greenstar Pro, in my opinion, is going to do it better than any other juicer on the market. Okay, you're going to get the highest yield and the most nutritious juice. So these gears, along with the Greenstar Elite, they have bioceramic and magnetic technology in them. So what that basically means is that will keep your juice alive for longer, and you're going to increase the nutritional content. If you want to read more about the specifics of that, you can find it on our website, rawblend.com.au. So when I assemble the juicer, firstly make sure these gears are lined up. I've got a little dot on one and 2 dots on the other. Just make sure they're lined up correctly, otherwise the juicer won't work too well. So they have to be lined up. Put our gears into place. And this is what's called a 3-stage masticating juicer. Okay, it has 3 stages of mastication. Ordinary masticating juicers only have 2 stages, but we have a grinding stage, a mixing stage, and a pressing stage with the Greenstar Pro. So I'm just going to assemble it for you. Put my gears in place here. I have a fine juicing screen. This is the screen I usually use for hard vegetables and greens. So basically all the juice is going to get pressed, ground, and mixed with these gears, and it's going to force it out through this little screen here. And then put this in place, and then it's going to force all the pulp, which will come out nice and dry at the end here, and any of the juice will fall out straight below. So you also get this beautiful glass juicing bowl with any Greenstar purchase. So you just latch these on, nice and quick to do so, and then we put on our safety hood. That's it, and we're away to go. Turn it on. That's it. So no other juicer I've ever used is so good for hard vegetables and greens. It's especially why I love using it. You also get a wooden tamper if you prefer to use the wooden over the plastic tamper. And to clean the Greenstar, it takes me about 3 minutes from start to finish, which is pretty quick for a juice extractor. The hardest part when cleaning any juice extractor is the fine juicing screen. You know, you have to spend about a minute or 2 giving that a little scrub, but you get this perfect cleaning brush, which is going to get into all those nooks and crannies really easily. So I think I might have covered everything here. If you've got any more questions or you want to find out more about the Greenstar Pro, please head over to rawblend.com.au and you'll find all the information there. But in the meantime, happy juicing.